I'm Susan Berkley. This is the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. This week we're going to talk about your voiceover demo. Is it emotional enough? Now, why do I ask that question? Because we don't want a boring demo. And I found that the demos that show the most emotional range are the ones that get picked up, the ones that gain interest, the ones where people will actually take a chance, click on you, and hopefully buy your services. So let's talk about the 5 emotional types that I think should be on your demo. And the first is what I call vulnerable. Now, we see this a lot in commercials. The actor has a problem or there's some sort of issue that the product is trying to solve, and they can be pretty poignant. It could be a serious issue, like caring for a loved one or an elderly parent, or maybe there's a disease state that the commercial's trying to solve. So that's the first one, is to be vulnerable, be honest, be raw. The second is the total opposite direction, to be silly, to be humorous, and you can go crazy here. We want to show some range. The third is sarcastic, wry, whatever, you know that type, very popular these days too. The fourth is just straight ahead, tell it like it is. And I'm visualizing a car commercial that is Matthew McConaughey, the actor. He's driving this car, this luxury vehicle, and you hear the thoughts inside his head. It's his voiceover. Pretty straight ahead, pretty direct to the point. That's a good one. And then the fifth voice type is intimate. It's sexy. And not just sexy necessarily, but it could be a storyteller type. Come closer. I want to tell you a story. It's the wise storyteller. It might be a food spot that's warm, that's inviting. So there you have the 5 voiceover emotion types that should be on every demo. I'll run them down for you one more time. Vulnerable, silly, sarcastic, straight ahead, and intimate. I'm Susan Berkley, back next week with more Inside Voiceover.